Hey everybody, what's up? This is Vitasta Bhatt and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here and have come for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot to me. And if you are a subscriber and you are returning here to see this video, hi again. So this is a video where I show you how I do my makeup on everyday basis. I know we are in quarantine right now and we do not need makeup. I don't just wake up in the morning and put on makeup and just lie down. I hate, absolutely hate. That didn't come out right. As much as I can, I try that I do not use makeup on my face. But since I'm at home and I have to utilize this time and make videos and do photo shoots and everything, I have to put on makeup for that purpose. So you do you guys. As my work is finished, I immediately run and wash it off. Also, a warning to you guys that most of the methods or techniques that I use might not be approved by the beauty community because I'm literally not a makeup artist. As you can see, I have done just whatever I can, whatever works for me. And personally, I feel I don't think there are any rules when it comes to makeup. You can do whatever you want. Also, another warning, I do not use high-end products. I have been using drugstore products all my life and I can't say that I'm planning to use them forever, but that's just what I use because I do not spend much on makeup. I know I should stop touching my hair. So this is the look that we are going for. This is the look that I usually do in mostly all my photos. Maybe change the lipstick, but rest of it is just the exact same. So if you wanted to know how I get ready, then just watch this whole video. So this is my bare face. As you can see, my skin is not in the best condition right now because there are like little bumps on my jaw, these little whiteheads all over my face, and this permanent pimple looking thing always peeking out. And very obviously my sleep schedule is wrecked and I have no plans to fix it either. So this is all we have right now. Obviously, first we start with prepping the skin with a moisturizer of your choice. I have used Innisfree. I have used Innisfree Jeju Pomegranate Revitalizing Emulsion. It's a emulsion, like a moisturizer sort of. So yeah, I'm usually not a foundation person because these days I only use makeup if I have to like do a photo shoot or make videos or something like that, and it can be fixed easily on camera, so I don't need foundation. But today I'm going to use it. So I used the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade 3D3W Beige Door. I really like this foundation because it's very liquidy and blendable. I don't think there is I know the perfect way to put on makeup, but I have figured out how to get ready in all these years, so that's a big achievement for me. I've only recently learned that you do not blend foundation like a cream. You just make sure it sits on your skin. I used to use BB creams at first, but now I have switched to foundation because I think foundations are So yeah, I was saying I think foundations are better than BB creams because BB creams are kind of thick and the foundation I'm using is very light. My dark circles are so stubborn, they always peep through no matter what I do. So since I was never able to fully cover my dark circles, I started using color corrector. With some research, I found out that peach color correctors work the best. To be honest, I still don't know how that works. The color corrector that I use is this peach corrector from LA Girl Pro. I love LA Girl Pro's concealers. They are like really nice. This I will blend with my fingers only because if I use a sponge and all, then it just takes off all the product. All the shadows are doing all the work and still showing off my dark circles. But anyway, so now we come to the concealer. It is from LA Girl Pro once again. This is creamy beige concealer and I really like it and I've used it so much. It's about to finish. Okay. That reminds me, most of my makeup is about to get over because I've used a lot of makeup during this quarantine. I have been doing a lot of content creation and stuff. Blend, 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 blend. I have also found out that you should use a setting powder after the concealer is applied because that stops it from creasing with your fine lines on your eyes. But I do not have a proper setting powder, but I think a compact powder works. This is from Maybelline New York Super Fresh in the shade Pearlite, Pure Pearlite. I have no idea how this works, but I'm just following some tutorials that I have watched. Also, I have recently started contouring my face because I found out that it actually really helps if you do it properly, of course. Did I lie? So let's try contouring. For contouring, I again use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. Okay, too much. So apparently apply your contour here. Please forgive my techniques. James Charles will come and bite me. Hi, sisters! And your jaw. And you're actually supposed to apply it here too, but I don't because I have bangs and they always cover this area. ज़्यादा लग गया. हाँ, थोड़ा nose पे भी लगाना है क्योंकि nose contour never works. So anyway, I will see if it works today. वैसे तो मुझे नहीं पता. हाँ, shit. I will try to blend with the beauty blender. I know my beauty blenders are dirty as hell. This is what I use for the concealer. That's why it's so dark. Don't get scared. Blend, 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 blend. I'm scared to do this part because I have applied more than required contour here. What? Can we fix this? Guys, I'm usually not that bad. I'll try fixing it with the foundation. I don't know. Did it work? Oh, nose. Okay, this looks bearable. Sorry, I just realized my jaw is totally looking like a clown.
20 minutes later.
Guys, ये तो था fail job. I'm not wasting any more time on contouring. It looks fine. I forgot to put concealer on my beloved pimple. I will never understand how people really hide their acne behind it. I absorb you so much. मुझे एक पिंपल छुपाना नहीं आता और आप पूरा का पूरा एक्ने वाला फेस क्लियर कर देते हो. That is magic. Next thing we do is eyebrows. For eyebrows, I use this Faces Canada pencil. It has a brush and a pencil on the other side. छोटा हो चुका है क्योंकि मैं बहुत यूज़ करती हूँ. मेरे eyebrows कुछ ज़्यादा करने लायक तो नहीं है. They are kind of already thick and stuff, so I only fill them here and there. It's not exactly black. It's kind of brown. Dark brown. I already have like thick eyebrows क्योंकि मैं पार्लर नहीं जा पाई हूँ 5 महीनों से. I have actually stopped caring about my eyebrows. As if contouring wasn't enough, I use this bronzer from Sugar in Topper shade. Sometimes I don't use contour, I just use this. So the next part is eyeshadows. For me, I use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, which is called Comfort Zone. So yes, I use this. This is definitely nude. This nude shade for the whole eyelid.
इतने टाइम से मेकअप यूज कर रही हूँ पर आई शेडो लगाना नहीं आया अभी तक.
Then I use this dark reddish shade to define the outside. थोड़ा सा and थोड़ा सा नीचे भी. And fun fact, I do not use eyeliner. A, because I don't know. I mess it up all the time. And B, I think my eyes look better without it. Should I zoom in? So I have subtly put on some red here and here. And then lastly, I use this nude shimmery shade for the center eyelid. Okay, so it's very subtle, it's very nice. So guys, today I have made a decision that I will apply eyelashes. If you know me, or even if you don't know me, I will tell you, I never use eyelashes and I don't know at all how to use them. Let's try these in front of you like first hand. Since I'm just learning, I have used the cheapest ones I could find. I don't know what the company name is, it just says False Eyelash Handmade. I got it from Amazon, a pack of 2 for around, I don't know, 250 rupees or something. I'm gonna ruin this. This is the eyelash glue that I applied. This is from Miss Claire. So we apply eyelash glue on the lashes. supposed to wait for like 30 seconds. यार literally clueless. What? I'm seriously wasting a lot of time on this. यार आप कैसे कर लेते हो यार ये? To tell you a secret, I don't even want to use them, but I'm just doing it for some content. यार कैसे लगाते हैं? नहीं guys, मुझसे नहीं होगा. Next time. यार ये जो ग्लू लग चुका है इसका मैं क्या करूँ? Guys, अगर आप भूलने को तैयार हो कि यहाँ कुछ लगा हुआ था तो मैं भी भूल जाऊंगी. Okay guys, since you have seen the process, please don't mind whatever there is. We'll jump straight to mascara. So I've been using this Maybelline Hyper Curl, which is an easy wash mascara. I do not use waterproof mascaras anymore because they are like so hard to get out of your eye. I don't have an eyelash curler. Okay, my eyelashes are the worst, are literally the flattest eyelashes in the whole world. कितना भी mascara लगा लो 5 मिनट बाद they'll be like. Now as we are done with mascara, also it's blush time. Next I use is this Color Bar blush in the shade Flushed Stain 003. ये भी खत्म होने वाला है. Earlier I used to use like a lot of blush like here, everywhere, but now I just use it subtly on the cheekbones. Yes guys, this is the highlighter that I use since years. This is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlight Stick. It's a stick, so it's थोड़ा creamy texture. थोड़ा heavy makeup नहीं लग रहा है ये. Next part is lipstick. इस look के साथ मैं nude lipstick ही पसंद करूँगी. To be honest, मुझे नए lipsticks खरीदने हैं. So the lipstick that I am using right now is this one from Lotus Herbals. पीछे से उड़ चुका है तो मुझे पता नहीं कौन सा शेड है ये. It's peach, peachy, perky peach or something like that. आप देख रहे हो कि ये भी खत्म होने वाला है. I applied थोड़ा सा हल्के से. Not आप लोग खत्म हो गया? नहीं, खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Since this lipstick is not as matte as it looks, I use the blush again and just. तो आपको लगा खत्म हो गया? I love a gradient lipstick, so I usually put on a darker color on the inside of my lips. So I'm using this Lakme 925 in Plum Pick, and I just थोड़ा सा अंदर से I take like थोड़ा सा foundation, like बहुत थोड़ा सा, and just. I know it looks stupid. This technique may be a total fail or whatever, but it works for me. To be honest guys, I think this is it. इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ अभी. Guys, that was my everyday makeup look. If you like this video, then do let me know in the comments and leave a like, and do not run away without subscribing to my channel. I don't know, it's your wish if you want to subscribe or not. So yes, I post videos every week, and then there are a lot of videos on my channel. You can go and check them out. I hope you enjoyed this whole process or tutorial or get ready with me thing. I really hope you come back later for more videos. Till then guys, take care, stay healthy, and I will see you next week. Pakka pakka pakka. Okay, bye.